Welcome. In front of me is a Sony Xperia XA1 Ultra, and I'll show you how to change the wallpaper. So to do it, you will need to hold the screen, and then you'll see this change, and you can see wallpapers right here. So just click on it, and then you can choose either the preloaded ones that come with the phone, or you can tap on the ones that basically photos, and go through the photo library that you have. Because there is just a screenshot there, so we're gonna choose the ones that come preloaded, and then we're gonna tap on apply, and as you can see, now it changes. So that's how you change the wallpaper. Now if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.